Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. We have some brand new micros on the block, so let's talk about these new fun things. This one is MTN, that's Mike Tango November, and the current contract is December, not to confuse you, but Z as in Zulu 24. So MTN Z24. This is what it looks like. It isn't super thick, but it has 428 contracts, which is enough in my book. So what this is a micro ultra 10-year note. There's the ultra, which is the 30-year bond ultra, but I don't even know if they have one for the 10-year, but they have a micro. So I will take it. It's a super awesome, fun, tiny contract, MTN Z24, and even better. And the reason I say better is that it has more volume, 763 in the MWN. That's Mike Whiskey November, again, of the December contract. So Z, Zulu 24. And this one is the Micro Ultra 30-year bond. Hello. You can see that I'm in it. I'm up a whole $18.75 on one single contract. I basically just got in it to check it out, see if it was actually trading. There is volume in that. Awesome. So we will see what happens. If we take a look at this daily chart, we can see that it has come down all the way through the cloud and is now on the recovery. So I went long. We'll just see if it can like bounce up out of here as certain economic news releases come out this week. We'll see what happens. So what this means is that I need to update my course on micros. I will be reteaching it here in the next couple of weeks. I'll link you over to the webinar on that. If you'd like to check it out, I'd love to have you there. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.